The first one is arithmetic series. So we talk about arithmetic sequence. Now we're going to talk about arithmetic series. What is series? Series is sum of sequence. So remember the sequence that we list up for arithmetic. Series is you add all of them up together. Term 1, add term 2, add term 3, add term 4. So for example, if you have a series of 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. Just say this sequence has 5 terms, and this series, okay, will be from T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5. That's what series is adding the terms up. So you can see that S5, meaning I'm adding the first 5 terms. If I have S100, that means I'm looking for the sum of the first 100 terms. That makes sense? Okay. So for example, if we have arithmetic series, so it's like 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, etc. Now, if I'm looking for S10, what do? You need to add the first 10 series. Sorry, the first 10 terms. 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 plus 18. So that's relatively big. So let's just do S5 first. S5 is obviously adding the first 5 terms, right? That's pretty simple and straightforward. So you can just do the addition. That's 50, right? Now, how do you calculate S10? And in fact, how do you calculate S100 if I ask you to calculate 100 term add together? So you have to, we have to think of it as a trapezoid. So this is the shape of a trapezoid. So for example, this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, over to term n. So you can think of it as bricks, okay? And then this is the height, which in our case is number of terms. So we need to use the area of trapezoid. Term 1 plus the last term, Tn, multiplied by the height, which is n, divided by 2. That is the area, which will be the sum. So let's try that.